terrible battery life. Most of the time the real culprit would be the resource-hungry apps that run in the background. Thanks to Greenify app, now you can hibernate those apps and save a lot of battery. Greenify is designed with an aim to keep things simple and clean. It analyzes these resource-hogging apps and enables the user to put them in a state of hibernation. It is free and works with both rooted and non-rooted devices. And there is a $3 donation version, which includes experimental features like greenifying system apps and deep hibernation. Having said that, for most users the free version would be totally fine. Its main user interface is very minimal, and upon launching it for the first time opens up a clean white screen listing out its key factors. Tapping the plus button lists all apps on your device. In case the app you intend to hibernate isn't shown on the list, scroll to the bottom and tap Show More Apps option, or use the search to find the one you are looking for. Once you have found the apps you were looking for, select them and tap the check button. As you hibernate apps, they will be placed on the hibernated list. You can launch hibernated apps by tapping the play button, and similarly you can put them back to sleep using the sleep button. And there is an auto hibernation feature, which can be enabled from the settings. For root devices, Greenify will automatically hibernate apps, but if your device doesn't have root access, then you will have to enable auto hibernation feature manually. First of all, switch the working mode to non-root and select the auto hibernation option that appears. If it doesn't work, make sure the needed requirements are met. To get more out of Greenify requires exposed framework. Having it installed on the device, you get access to some additional features as well, though you'll have to buy Greenify donation version to enable experimental features. Just to hibernate apps you don't have to buy the donation version, but if you need even better performance and battery life, $3 is a fair price. Hope you find this tutorial useful. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Thank you. Bye.